Hi and welcome to this new video. Today we will see something more about Pandas, some of the measure operation that you can do on a Pandas data frame. And to do that, we will use set about battles of Game of Thrones. Um, you can find this dataset on kaggle.com. Kaggle is a very famous data science platform where you can find many useful things like lessons, videos, tutorial, but overall you can find here data frames and dataset. So, for this reason, I really suggest you, I really encourage you to go to kaggle.com and register you so you can download this dataset. Here you can see that we have three dataset battle.csv, character.csv, and character prediction.csv. For the purpose of this video, I have chosen more useful. Here you can see um, a first idea of the dataset. Particularly, you can see the column, and here we can see just but here you can decide to add more columns, for example, in this way. Okay, and yeah, the last two column I have added. Um, you can read a little description of the of for each column. Okay, so you can when you have downloaded the dataset, you can open with Jupyter. So the first cell is about the import of the most important libraries for this exercise, and then recently um, I have put here the other two data set, but actually we will use just one. So, with this command, we will put in the battles variable a pandas data frame with the command dot read csv. Here there is the path of the where I have put the CSV file is a perfect comma separated the value, so you don't have to do something like to add the limiter because actually a comma, so you don't need to do that. So okay, here we can see first for the head of the data set. That is the data frame. Okay, so you can see that we have 25 columns. For this video, I have chosen just some columns because we don't need the others. So we can select the columns in this way. So Actually, we are selecting by a list of column names. In this list, I have put the names of the column that I want to choose. Little tip I want to suggest to you is to do this. So battles dot columns, and here we have all the 25 columns that we have in the data set. Sorry, in the data frame, and you can use that to as a template to copy and paste for the selection command. Okay, remember that you have to put these battles columns in the variable. So now we have after this command we have um, uh, data frame with left column. We have chosen the name of the battle, the attacker king, the defender king, the outcome of the battle, if the attacker um, um, win or loss, the type, the attacker command, the defender command, and so on. Okay. You can see that the number of columns here is changed. And the first command I want to show you is how to see and how to manage the null value in a data set. So to do that, we have to use this command is null and then the command sum. So we can add together for each column all cell that actually contain a null value. Um, so here we can see, for example, that in the attacker size column we have 14 cells with a null value. So the way to manage a null value depends on the kind of analysis that you are doing. For this reason, in this video, we will see just a way to manage. This way is to fill all the cell that contains a null value with a more speaking value. For example, the string unknown. You can say that in the cell there are a known value. Another way is to use the command drop null. The command drop null. Sorry. Yeah, yes, the command drop null value that will remove all the records that actually contains a null value. But for this video, I don't want to use this way. Instead, we will fill the null cell with unknown value. So after we have run this cell, we can repeat the previously command to verify that the number of null value now is 0. Okay, so in the previously video I have spent a lot of time in a unique video, and I don't want to repeat this thing because I think that after 20 minutes of video the whole thing can be boring. So I want to stop this video now, and the other side of the command you will see in the next video. So thank you, and bye, and see you in the next video.